Hi everyone, welcome back to Chandra Edu. Today we are diving into topic sum formula. Sum formula is used to add numbers. You can add numbers one by one, add numbers in a column, add numbers in a row, and also add numbers in a range. Alright, let's get into it. Here we have data Chandra Fresh Shop fruit stock, and here is the ID, the name of the fruit, and here is the stock in pound for small size, here for medium size, and the large size. Here we have a blank column, the total one, and here also we have the blank row, the total of every size. Okay, let's get into the total of every fruit. Here we want to get the total of apple, small, medium, large. What is the total of them? Just type equal sum, open parenthesis, and here we have a hint uh, of the sum function here. Sum, open parenthesis, number 1, comma, number 2, and blah blah blah, close parenthesis. Here we choose small one and then comma, the medium one and comma, and the large, then close parenthesis, enter. It is the first method. What is the second method? The second method, delete it first and then type equal sum, open parenthesis. The numbers here we can change with a range. So we highlight from small to the large, small to the large, and here we can see C6 through E6, close parenthesis, and then enter. We get the same number, 37, and we go to the next method, the third method. We call it autosum. Delete it first, and in the home tab here, home ribbon, in the editing group, we have autosum. If we hover over the autosum menu, we can see the shortcut is alt plus equal. Now we click the autosum, and here we can see its type equal sum, open parenthesis, C6 through E6, close parenthesis. Now we press enter. We get the same number, 37. And here, if we want to copy the formula from apple to pears here, move the cursor to the right bottom right here, and so the cursor change into a little plus sign, or we call it autofill handle. Press or click and then hold and then drag to the bottom to the pears here and release, and we get the total of every fruit here. And the next, we want to get the total of every size. So here in the cell of the total of the small here, equal sum, open parenthesis, and we highlight from apple to pears here, close parenthesis, and then enter. The result is 133. What about if we use autosum? Delete it first. Put the cursor or select the cell of the total in small here, and then go to home tab, home ribbon, editing group, autosum here. just click the autosum or press Alt plus equal. Now we click the autosum and it is typed equal sum open parenthesis C6 through C15 close parenthesis, and we can press enter, and then we copy the formula from small to the large. Now we get the total of every size of the fruit. And here, total stock of apple, banana, blueberry, orange, papaya, and pears. What about if we want to get the total of these? Now, apple, banana, blueberries, we highlight here, and then orange, papaya, pears, highlighted too. So we want to get the total of small to the large. Here we want to get the total of this and total of this. So we want to get the total this and this. How to get the total? Just type equal sum open parenthesis. First, we select the first range from apple to blueberries, small until the large. Highlight from C6 through A8, and then comma. We select orange to pears, small to large, C13 through E15, and then close parenthesis, enter. So here is the total of apple, banana, blueberry, orange, papaya, and pears. And that is for today's tutorial. I hope you found this lesson helpful and makes working with Excel easier. If you have any question or suggestion for future tutorials, feel free to leave them in comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.